Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Jeff token. Name of the token is Jeff, ticker symbol is also Jeff. This token got listed today on CoinMarketCap, brand new listing. It was already up 100%. Right now it's up 88.21%. This is the one of the newest meme coins that just came out. Kind of looks like a sort of a playoff of Wojak. Check out the Wojak coin video I did a couple weeks ago. We're going to go over the information on the Jeff token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Jeff token. So, before we get into the info, at the very top of the CoinMarketCap page for this token listing, it has a big warning that everybody should be aware of. It says, according to Gopless Labs, the smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, or mint new tokens. Please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own research. So when there's warnings like that, it doesn't always mean like 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has a big potential to be a scam when they can disable the selling and alter the smart contract in all sorts of different ways. It can be super sketchy. So thoroughly do your own research before buying this token. Now, a lot of these meme tokens, they don't have audits, they don't have KYCs, they don't have any security to them. So be aware of that. I have not seen an audit yet, although I will look some more here, but I don't think there is one, so be aware of that too. Now, this token's price right now is about 11.5 cents per token. It's up 92.8% right now. You can find their official webpage on CoinMarketCap, jeffcoin.xyz. Their block explorer is also on here, their Etherscan. They also have a Twitter, they have a Telegram, and the price chart and contract address. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Jeff token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, or you can find it on their Etherscan or their webpage or Twitter. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll try to find that in 1 second here. And just be aware that there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So they almost have 4,000 holders. According to their Etherscan here, 3,953 holders so far, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 100 million tokens. Now, their Twitter is at JeffCoin, 3,747 followers, 142 tweets, and they just joined in May. So this is a very, very brand new project. I mean, it's only May 7th, so this is barely a week old, and they already have 142 tweets. So very active on their socials here. Now, in their pinned tweet, it says, just launched JeffCoin, hoping this will change my life. And there is a link to Dex Screener, the website, and their liquidity locks, their Etherscan showing that they locked liquidity. So you can check all those out in their pinned tweet. And of course, scrolling through their Twitter, lots and lots of memes. So it definitely looks like Jeff here works at McDonald's. He's got the hat and a lot of memes about that. And if you go to their Telegram, at Jeff Portal, 1,320 subscribers on the Telegram. So the Telegram's not doing too bad. Now, jeffcoin.xyz has all the information, and it is not a lot of information because this is very much a meme coin. Seems to have zero to no utility. So, just very memed out. The aspiring crypto billionaire that looks like he works at McDonald's here. Now, there's a link to a DEX Tools chart on their page right away, but you could find the chart now on CoinMarketCap as well. So the story about Jeff, it says, about me. I was very stressed. I couldn't sleep. I'm Jeff, just an average guy working at McDonald's for years. I've been struggling to make ends meet and living paycheck to paycheck. I'm tired of just getting by, and I want more out of life. I've been dabbling in cryptocurrency for a while now, hoping to find a way to change my fortunes. Unfortunately, I've lost more money than I've gained investing in poop coins that turned out to be worthless. But I'm not ready to give up just yet. I've been studying and researching everything I can find about tokenomics and blockchain technology. I've been reaching out to people in the crypto community for advice, trying to learn as much as possible. And now, I think I've got an idea for my own token. It's risky, but I believe in it. I've spent all my spare time working on this, pouring my heart and soul into it, and I know there are a lot of scams out there in the market, and it's very volatile, but I'm confident that my token will be different. Launching my own token is a huge risk, but it's also my last shot at making something out of myself. I'm willing to put everything I have into it, knowing that I could lose it all, but maybe, just maybe, this will be the breakthrough I've been looking for. I'm excited and I'm nervous, and at the same time, I know this won't be easy, but I'm ready for the challenge. This is my shot at changing my life and making something out of myself, and I'm not going to let it pass me by. Jeff, guy who always fails. Okay, so that is the story that they have here, jeffcoin.xyz. They got a picture of Jeff, and that is the whole webpage, besides links to their socials, which is just their Twitter and Telegram. So, no roadmap, no utility. They don't even really have tokenomics on here, so it looks like you most likely, will not have to set slippage. It doesn't say anything about taxes. 24-hour trading volume, 17.3 million. It's got these stats on here, Uniswap volume. But yeah, that's really about it. Not much information on Jeff. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.